These steam engine models are not toys. I'm Darren, and this is the Industrial Revolution. These models could be used for just about anything. If you are trying to travel to a factory to convince someone to buy your steam engine, you need to have something to show them. Some of these people may have never even seen a steam engine before. If you're working with students, trying to teach them how steam works, you have to have a functional steam engine there to show them something you can bring into the classroom without starting a fire, without filling the room with smoke. You're playing with different designs, trying to see what works, what doesn't work. Making a model is certainly far faster and far cheaper than anything else you can do. Models could also show the elegance of your steam engine. Early steam engines were functional, and if you're an engineer, of course, they were beautiful. If you weren't an engineer, they were pretty ugly, let's be honest. Later, people wanted to actually be able to show off their steam engines. They wanted to be able to put them in right in the front of their factory to show how high-tech their company was, just like today, really. And to do that, you'd have a beautiful steam engine, something worthy of showing off. And that's where these models came in. They did it all. They showed how steam engines worked. Showed the differences between them. This one, for example, is a marine steam engine for use in ships. Notice that while most are oriented horizontally, the marine steam engines are all oriented vertically, and that's to save cargo space. So all the complex linkages, all the piping, everything that you need to get your steam engines up and running. Well, most of the models here at the Henry Ford Museum in Dearborn, Michigan, are about teaching people how to use steam engines, selling steam engines, teaching people how to build steam engines. Not all of them are. Have you seen this one yet? It's been in the frame for a bit. Zoom in a little bit. This little tiny steam engine, 3/4 of an inch high, is the world's smallest steam engine. And it works. It runs on a tiny bit of compressed air. And it was exhibited in 1876. Sometimes these models were built just to show off. So while steam engines like this are definitely not toys, without them, the Industrial Revolution would have never taken off the way it did. That's why these models, they are the Industrial Revolution.